Hi, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna review Purito Green Level Serum. Look, I have been using this serum for more than 1 year and I have seen some great results. This serum, it has almost everything. It has ceramide to repair our skin's barrier. It has 5% niacinamide, which is great for skin brightening, and it has 49% centella acetica, which is great for calming down our angry skin, and it is also helpful in collagen production, which can be great for anti-aging. And it has 4 kinds of peptides. Honestly, it has so many good ingredients and it felt so nice on my skin. It didn't feel sticky at all. I could layer this serum with other serums. It didn't feel tacky or anything. The only issue I had with this serum that it had essential oils, so that was my biggest concern. I love the serum. It didn't do any bad for my skin, so I continued using that. But I was worried because over the time my skin can turn more sensitive for these essential oils. It's good news for me, which is I found unscented version of this serum. The formulation is same, the ingredients are same, just minus those essential oils. This is to show you the difference between scented and unscented serum. The texture wise they are almost same. It's just the scented one, it has essential oils, the unscented one doesn't have it. Texture wise, performance wise, these are almost same, but I prefer the unscented one because it doesn't have skin irritating elements. So I recommend you the unscented version of this serum. And now let's come to the results. My skin felt really hydrated, and my skin actually feels healthy with this serum. Whenever my skin gets irritated or I have this little breakouts, this serum really calms my skin. And I keep this serum in my freezer, so when I apply it I have this cooling effect, which is great. I didn't see that much of result when it comes to brightening, but my biggest concern is to keep my skin healthy, and there this serum works really fine. And as an anti-aging serum, it is good but not great, because we know when it comes to anti-aging the most potent ingredient is retinol. But if you're just a beginner, you are just want to start with mild products, this serum can be great. I use this both during day and night. They have a green level cream as well, but I don't like the cream that much because it feels a little greasy on my skin and I didn't see that much of result. But when it comes to the serum, I really love this. So that's it for now. I hope you found my video helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this, because I make videos almost every day. So yeah, and see you really soon. Bye bye, take care.